Welcome to Skool ERP video tutorial. In this video we will show you how to install Skool ERP mobile app from Play Store, how to log in, and how to change password. Open Play Store and search Skool ERP in Play Store. Install and open it. You will come to login page. Enter your school code, username and password which you have received from your school, and click on login. See, this is your mobile app dashboard. Click on ERP login to explore more. See at the top right corner. There you can see two icons. The first one is profile icon, and second one is the menu icon. Click on profile icon for changing your password. Click on your name, and then select change password. Then enter your old password. Enter your new password and retype it. Please ignore special characters. And then click on change. Your new password is saved now. Now to check your password you have to log out and re-log in. For that, come back to the mobile app dashboard. Click on the profile button and touch the setting button on top right corner. Then click on log out. Enter the same school code and same username. And in place of password, put the new password which you have changed. And re-log in. Isn't it easy and simple? Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.